Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a border around a photo in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I add a border around a photo in this presentation. At first I have to insert a photo. Now you can see here are my photo. Now I add a border. Select this photo, then click show or hide format style option. Then choose style and press border option. Now you can see here many border, line border, dotted border, dashed border, anything. I insert dashed border. Now I make border weight to 10 pt, then press enter. Now I change this border color red. Now click outside of this image. Now you can see I add a border around a photo in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.